วัสดีค่ะ
Swadika.
Right now we are in Berlin and you know where we're going to?
Thai art.
Yeah, it's the name of the Thai restaurant here, Thai Art. You've never been to this one yet, right?
No.
Yeah, they mainly serve noodles. They have some rice dishes, but they mainly serve noodles. And we can see how it is. How it takes for us to get there?
1 hour.
No, it's only 40.
No, 50 minutes.
Yeah. So we're wearing the hood now because it's raining. How many degrees today? 17?
Around 17, yeah.
Yeah,
And it's raining.
17.
You look like a hip hopper. Oh, and I look like a superhero or super villain with this.
Yeah, school mask.
Alright.
Wow. My mask lame,
Yeah.
but I don't care.
You're
Because
special.
I'm cool.
I knew it. I said it before you.
Don't care. Put it up. Put the mask up. Stupid. The trend here, there's the time. Say what time is coming, how long it's coming. Yeah, we don't have this in Thailand.
No?
No, but they don't say like what time,
But
how long
in
is it coming.
Bangkok? In
Yeah, no,
No? Wasn't
No.
it there?
no.
Okay. The first time since
2 months.
2 months being in a underground camp.
Yeah, because of the coronavirus, right?
And my work is around our place. So Looks like a jeans mask. There's the material.
Thai tea. Is it good?
Okay. Yeah, this looks authentic Korean.
You can use the spoon, baby, to slurp the soup. Alright,ไหม อันนี้ของกิฟต์นะคะสเต็กน้ำตกเนื้อ Can you pass me? I want spoon and fork. I don't want chopsticks. Wanna try some of this? Yeah.
Beef?
Yeah. Both noodles. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Eat some.
Completely different taste to that one.
Yeah.
Give my food.
Can I have more pepper?
Did you see food while I was taking the paper?
มีเครื่องปรุงเหมือนไทยเลย อย่างอันนี้ก็ซื้อมาจากร้านเอเชียป่ะคะ
ทุกอย่างในอาเซียน
มีน้ำเย็นตาโฟด้วย
ใ
แต่น้ำเย็นตาโฟที่ร้านเช็คอ๋อทำเองthis thing
The temple. You mean the temple?
yeah but it's not temple it's Buddha image yeah
Yeah, but they serve him some stuff, right?
yeah like a little temple in Thailand that you used to see
Yeah.
do you know why they serve the water to Buddha
Could he needs food too?
yeah
Yeah.
that's true so do you like it
Yeah, most good.
so we ordered 3 at the restaurant and 2 dishes we take away
Yeah.
and we paid 40 that is quite okay right
Yeah.
and the taste is good or what do you think
What's good? It's
Thai
It is Thai though.
yeah here we got 2 home I forgot to take the Tupperware with me so we gotta put it in this single-use plastic we're almost home now the sun is out just right after we almost got home
But we got a balcony, so it's fine.
yeah we can chill at the balcony and so this is another video we do outside I'm trying to do it more outside to take a tour in Berlin or something
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye.